Yeah. Thank you. Hey y'all. So the warm-up's up on the board. This is going to be important for today. So go ahead and get started with the warm-up. I've got your quizzes for the most part. Y'all did pretty darn well.
Okay,
Go ahead.
I have a question about my test corrections.
Okay.
Yeah. My bad. Oh, right now? Okay.
I'm waiting.
I feel like I thought my signs were right, like the shading. Like
So when it's less than, you
the
shade
line.
under down.
Yeah, that's what I was. What? Like you shade under your line that you made.
Yes.
Yeah, I thought I did that.
You did not.
Well,
How about this? You can come after school or before school, and I'll be glad to help you with it. Okay. So 3 more questions on the board. These are extremely important for today.
wait, could I today?
Huh?
Because I don't have anything.
Sure. What, honey?
Could I today? Because I don't have anything after school.
Sure. Good job.
Got it.
I'm so sorry about that. I actually came
You guys, again, did pretty darn well on your quizzes. I'm proud of y'all.
I have to do that one.
Isabella, may I just hand this to you? Isabella. Thank you. Hold on, I'm using your desk to lean. Sorry. It's easier for me to do that than to roll around. Okay, so you need to know how to do this warm-up. We will go over it because today you are getting a take-home test. It is due on Monday.
A take-home test?
Wow.
So you're going to have today and this weekend to do it. Okay. Then I would make sure that you work.
This whole weekend.
I'd make sure that you work very hard today then. So the only rule is you have to show work on it. So finish the warm up. That way you have plenty of time to do the work.
Oh, is this after the warm-up?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to you after the warm up.
Wait, who gave me this piece of paper?
What, honey?
Who gave me this piece of paper?
You mean what?
Oh, thank you.
Right?
What'd you say?
Who gave me this piece of paper?
Oh, me.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry.
I don't know why. It just wasn't thinking.
Marissa, did you do that debate thing?
No, so you can do it in class day.
Okay, good. That's what I was planning on.
Can you please stop?
I'm nervous. The days go by so fast.
I know. Today's like really quick.
Mm-hmm.
Shouldn't take us very long. Let's spend about another minute on this. Number 2, you might not remember how to do, and that's all right. That's why I have it as a warm-up. So if you need to skip number 2, go for it. But you definitely know how to do numbers 1 and number 3. When you look at number 1, there's only one variable, which means you're going to graph it on a number line, not like a XY coordinate plane. Again, if you forget how to do number 2, skip it, go to number 3. You should know absolutely how to do numbers 1 and 3. to give you plenty of time to work on your work today. So let's take a look at number 1. You will see these on the take-home test. So when it says solve and graph, it means you have to get the variable by itself first. So in here, we still have our balance point. Okay, y'all know how to solve equations. I know you feel good with that. So we distribute. Distribute means multiply. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times the -1 is -3. Is less than or equal to 2x plus 8. Now we have variables on both sides. So to get variables on the same side, I move my smaller variable to the left. So I'm subtracting 2x. When it's on the opposite side, I do the opposite operation. That leaves me 1x minus 3 is less than or equal to 8. Now I need to get the variable, the x, by itself. So I move the positive or the -3 to the other side by doing the opposite, which is adding 3. Leaves me 1x is less than or equal to 11. If you want, you can divide by the 1. But that leaves me x is less than or equal to 11. This is the solving portion. On your test, you're going to need to show work. Okay, you have to show work. From there, it says to graph. There's only one variable in this whole thing. So I have an 11, I have a 10, I have a 12. With less than or equal to. Is it an open circle or closed circle?
Close.
Closed because of the equal to. Which way does it appear to be shading? Towards the door or towards me?
You.
Towards me. So we shade this direction. Questions on that?
No.
Okay. Number 2. When we're finding slope from 2 points, the formula is slope equals m equals, because m is slope, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1.
I thought it's x before the y.
It's not. So now I have x1, y1, x2, y2. So I have a -12, y2 minus y1, which is 4, divided by x2 minus x1, which is a -7. I put that in parentheses. -12 minus 4 is -16. 8 minus a -7 is +15. This is my slope. You're going to want, at some point, I'm telling you when to write this down, but you're going to want this on this take-home test. You're going to need this formula. Questions so far? Last but not least. So, when I say to graph, you need to make sure that it's in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y by itself. So I'm moving the x. That leaves me with a -2y equals -3x's plus 8. Divide by -2. That leaves me with y equals a negative divided by a negative is +3/2. Positive divided by a negative is negative. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now, how would you show work if you just have it in slope-intercept form? Tell me what m is. Tell me what b is. M is 3/2. B is -4. Then we're going to graph 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Y-intercept. This is where we start. So we start at -4. My slope is positive, which means we're going up. 1, 2, 3, over 1, over 2. Straight line, and good from there.
Wait, how'd you get 16 over 15?
So -12, taking away number 4, is -16. Okay, do you understand that part?
You just moved really quick.
That's right. So the formula is y2 minus y1. y2 is -12, which I put.
Wait, so you're not multiplying across?
No, you're subtracting.
Ollie.
Oh, I thought.
Okay, you good with that? Okay. So don't freak out by this packet. I promise you, you're only going to do a couple of these.
Wait, so number 2, do you just do multiply them? Like
No,
so
you were subtracting them, so you're taking the y2 minus the y1. So each ordered pair is always
like
x,
I'm
comma,
asking,
y.
like, do you like do -7 minus 4 and just
No, so this is x1, y1, x2, y2. You're substituting it into this formula. I'm taking my y2 and putting it in.
okay, got it. I got it,
y1,
got it.
and then we subtract. So again, don't freak out about this, just put your names on it, please. And then you get ready to circle the ones that you're going to do.
Does this whole packet do?
So, just put your name on it, and get ready to circle the ones that you're going to do.
Oh, okay.
Riley, can we take turns drinking that drink you had?
Sure.
Thanks. During my second hour? My other hour?
You're gonna drink it all.
No, I'm not. I don't know. I'm a sipper.
Hey.
I'm not a chugger.
Let's stop now. You guys have been saying, guys, stop. Holy moly. Number 1, you are doing. So you want to circle number 1, number 2, and number 3. You want to circle number 4, number 6, number 8, and number 9. Those are allowed to be fractions. Some of those are going to be fractions, and that's fine. Nothing else is fractions. So again, on that first page, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Flip the page.
Are we doing the word problems too?
It says to highlight circle the ones that we're doing, which is probably not.
We just gotta wait.
I thought those were just the ones that were fractions.
No, some of those are going to be fractions. Those are the ones you're
That
doing.
we're gonna do.
Oh.
Okay?
Cool. Okay.
Numbers 15, 16, and 17.
Wait, say it.
15, 16,
17.
and 17.
Got it.
Okay, flip the page. Just those 3 on that one. You were doing all of 25 through 33.
Hmm?
So 25, 26, 27. I would immediately right now,
What?
you're doing 25, 26, 27,
You just said.
28, 29, 30,
As I'm saying.
31, 32, and 33.
Great.
But right now, for 25, 26, and
Am
27,
I stupid or am I cannot figure this out? So we're doing.
Okay, so we're doing
Yeah.
25 through 30.
Holly, don't do that. What?
no, I'm trying to tell you what we're doing. So just pause for a second rather than everybody else talking. Right now, for 25, 26, and 27, this equation that's on the board, the m equals, you should write down. Because this is what you're using for 25, 26, and 27. So where it says m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, I would write that down somewhere next to 25, 26, and 27. Wait, hold.
Did you understand?
No, it's fine.
Okay, so
I'll
we're
figure.
doing
No, it's
circle-
fine. I'll figure it
circle-
out.
Well, okay,
Yeah, he
hold on.
won't
I
like
can
it.
figure stuff, I can say stuff to where she understands, so hold on a second.
Then we're doing 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and 33. So you're doing all of 25 through 33. But only 25, 26, and 27 are you using this equation.
Do you get it?
Flip the page.
Mm-hmm.
Circle the top 3 lines. Like, you're doing all of the first 3 lines.
You're doing 50,
Don't sigh or anything like that, that's mean.
Yeah.
52,
What up? What?
50.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. 50 and 52.
So we're skip 51.
You're skipping 51, yes. 50 and 52.
52.
Whatever he tells you to circle.
53, 54, 55, 56, and 57. This will be the hardest page.
Oh my god.
Last 3. 61, 62, 63.
62.
61, 62, 63. Okay, I'm going to go through this one more time. Here we go. So go back to the front.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Up.
6, 8,
Yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
9.
Skipping 5. Number 6. Skipping 7, 8, and 9. On the next page, you're doing 15, 16, and 17. On the next page, you're doing all of 25 through 33. But you need this equation that's on the board in number 2 for 25, 26, and 27. Flip the page. You're doing 50, 52. So you're skipping 51. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Flip the page. 61, 62, 63. You may work together. You may do work on other pieces of paper. If you do not have work shown, you will not get credit for this. This is due Monday when you walk in during 6th hour. Everybody with me? Okay, go ahead and get started. I'm
Can we
here if
move
you have
around?
questions. I will gladly help. What now?
Can we move around?
Yeah, just don't get in front of the camera.
It's recording?
Yes?
Yeah.
How come it records even when we're not even doing stuff on the board?
Because this way, when it catches me helping you, it catches you guys working, all that. Yes, ma'am.
Can I use some?
Yes, leave your phone. Olivia, if you want to take your chair back, you can.
Okay. Well, I'm just gonna sit like this because I don't feel like moving it.
So
Okay, so here.
for the first one, you would subtract. It's just like
It's just solving the equation. So for number one, you're just solving an equation. So get x by itself. You know what I mean, Maris? I mean, you know.
so you do subtract 9.
It's already a subtract 9, right?
What?
It's already a subtract 9.
I mean add 9.
Yeah. If you get stuck and you need me to show you something as an example, I would gladly go up to the board and show an example.
Do you want us to write all of what we're doing in the boxes?
No, if you want to do it on a separate piece of paper, you can. As long
But
as
then
you,
we just have to like number them so you know which.
Yeah. Like, to make it easy, if you want to put the answer in that box, that'd be great.
For them.
But if you need to do it all on a separate piece of paper, I'm fine with that too.
Can I get a sip of that?
And I'm fine if you give me decimals or fractions. Okay, so you can give me a decimal or a fraction.
Life hack.
Choose four times over cancel with your five.
Isaac made a comment about it.
Isaac is just mean like that about tans. He bullied me since like the 7th grade for my tan.
He was like, I hate to be that guy, but your hands. I was like, I know.
I was like, don't be that guy. It's okay.
Do you fit tan or
No.
But like,
I self
Hey guys, I don't mind if you talk, but the fact that I can hear every word you're saying probably means you're too loud. Because other people are actually working right now. Is she good?
Mm-hmm.
Or do you need to see one?
What?
Do you need to see one or are you good?
Not yet.
Isabella, you good?
Yeah, I do. She wants to go to work.
Bella, you good?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was
I really can't. Why do I try him? Thank you so much. This is such a long day. We have a competition. Why would you want to hang out after a competition? It's fine. It's at 9. Why don't we just do something at night? We'll do that later. You can drive. These crack drives all around. You can do it today. Yes. Tomorrow, it's just not ideal. What about Sunday? I have good dances. In the morning?
Is 4 a fraction?
Say it again?
Is 4 a fraction?
I don't believe so.
Should we do it Friday?
No.
Today?
So we're gonna take a look?
That sounds
Maybe.
better though.
How long did it last night? Riley, last night was better.
Well, what are you?
Sorry, I fell
Do you
yesterday.
know
Okay, so this is. What do you, okay, so you're kind of you're thinking about this wrong. How do you get
I
x?
am balancing.
Then you divide it.
Both sides by -3, so it's 18 divided by -3. Not -3 divided by 18.
I can't just like say, oh, never mind. You need to come back today.
Okay, these are on the same side. So do I do opposite stuff? No, you combine them like normal like terms. You want to see like something like this?
Well, now I understand.
Okay, does that make sense?
Your house? I don't want to do that. I don't want to come to my house. I don't want to.
Y'all, I don't mind if you talk while you work, but I'm not actually seeing you guys work.
Yeah, before. Just like when you're older, you're not.
No, it's my turn.
Right, what does that mean? You're
Sorry.
the action.
I think you can have my house when it's free.
Yeah, it's all raining.
Go over to
Oh, think of
you're
it, that's so
moving
mean.
the 9 to the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Is number 2 a fraction?
I believe so.
so. I got a fraction.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not gonna
Same with number. Oh wait, no, never mind.
Which one?
Never mind. I didn't get a fraction.
Which one?
Number 3. I didn't get a fraction for number 3, but
Yeah, number 3 shouldn't be a fraction.
yeah.
Get your stuff back. Olivia, give it back.
Olivia, that's so mean. She thought that was your money.
Stop.
So good. How do they get
His face just like crying.
How do I'm not gonna move your face.
Is it good?
Yeah. Oh, shit.
I genuinely think it's just like
Riley.
I didn't draw on it, I promise. What?
No, I promise. I
Are you
won't.
sick?
I won't bring like what?
Are you sick?
No.
Okay. It's like, maybe. It's like, stop, sorry, I'm like really good.
Did we just keep a little?
Yeah, that probably. I don't care unless anybody's sick. I just don't want to get the flu. That's my fear, but it's okay. Olivia drank out of it too, so we're all just gonna get sick.
This is a test grade. It is due on Monday.
Oh, yeah. It's like almost gone, dude. Not because me as well, but I'm really crap early. Always literally sitting here like super eye chugger.
If you need help, you gotta let me know. Guys, we need to keep the phones away.
It was my phone, it was a makeup brush.
I wasn't talking to you, honey.
Oh, okay.
These boxes need to be bigger.
Well, again, you can do it on a separate piece of paper, honey.
Yeah, I'm getting lost in my brain.
Wrong page. Yeah, there's not one for that page. No, wrong page. Is number 8 a fraction?
Yeah, definitely in the fraction. Or decimal, whichever one you'd like.
Is number 3 a fraction?
Should know.
Oh my god, I have too.
Oh! What are we doing in English?
Isabel.
Oh, no. I'm doing it at 10.
Maybe we're supposed to do it next week. I think so, but that's what I mean, it's like, you have classes and I know, yeah, but you have competition. I'm not, I can't cancel. If you have competition, the whole day, you have competition Sunday. The whole day? No. And 35 or so. That's canceling. That's canceling. Because we all count. We went earlier. Especially that. So I'm gonna just do like an hour. If I can't cancel numbers, maybe what we can do.
I'm doing mine.
I do too. But we don't get. I don't know. Cancel. Cancel. I don't know if I can look. I think we're looking at do something. So I can just hand out some money. Yes, I know. So, it's not like I'll just sit there.
Let's have 15 more minutes of class time to ask some questions. Or to start.
Is number 4 a fraction?
No. I'll come up. Let me see what you got. Oh, right there. You drew it, you said 3 to the negative 1, which is the negative 1. What do you have to do?
Oh, it's -3.
Yeah. That makes sense?
Wait, so can I just like bring all of this?
Yeah, whatever you need to do, good. As long as you can do
Do I
whatever you
have to change all of?
Nope, you just do what you need to do. Show the work, do whatever you need to do.
So I just change off negative ones and have the right answer.
Sure. If you can get it, yeah.
Well, I'll still get a wrong answer.
I know you can. Change to -3 and see what you get. Go ahead and put the makeup points.
I'm trying to find my pen.
Okay, but you don't need your mirror for that.
No, I was just pulling it out because I got it in one of these pockets.
Our makeup's in this pocket, but the pen's in this pocket too. We're both unorganized.
I still got a fraction.
Let me see.
Because I changed all these to threes.
That's okay. So this isn't a -3. That's the one still, but this is a -3. So that's-
Wait.
So -3 minus 9 is -10. What's -3 minus 9?
Negative 13.
No, use your calculator.
Negative 3 minus
9. Calculator. Ah, that will give you a good answer.
Is number 16 a fraction?
Say again?
Is number 16 a fraction?
No. 25 minus 3n plus 6 goes on 4. So you did the same thing again. When it's on the same side, you combine like terms. Sorry. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that makes
Hold on, wait, let me do this right.
Oh my. Okay. Okay. I can't wake up to like an actual song. You guys could just like an actual alarm now. She has songs. It's not that exciting to wake up.
Yeah.
No, actually, she gets so mad.
What's
at me.
One time I woke up in the morning. Wasn't it?
I want to give you one last option. It was the song.
One last option, you gotta get up.
It's the song.
Really, it's like absurd.
I used to do that when I was in like 6th grade.
Wait.
I have to set like 20 alarms.
I know. I hit the snooze button the first 3 times.
No, I literally just don't wake up. I don't wake up to any of them. Like any. I'll set like 20 from like 6 to 7. And yeah, I literally wake up. I'll wake up at like 7:20.
Wait, how far do you live from school?
Only 7 minutes when I'm at my mom's, but when I'm at my dad's, it's like 20. Yeah, like 20.
Oh, it's not.
Yeah, it's not that bad, but I somehow never make it.
How are ya?
It was wrong.
You
I
did.
was, because I was like trying to predict it. And she was so mad.
So we're working on a take-home test.
I have no idea.
3 of us are doing great.
Lydia, you done with your test? I'm only
Is number
assuming.
6 a fraction?
Number 6 is a fraction. I mean, easy, easy.
Number 6
Yes.
a fraction?
Yep.
That's sat one of these.
Say it again.
I haven't sat in one of these chairs in forever.
Yeah, you got a good one.
Huh?
He got a good one.
Did he?
Oh, you do?
I had like 3 minutes canceled on me. It's raining. Friday. You don't get out in the rain.
No.
That's what I assumed.
Did you get an email from someone else?
Wait, you're
I'm glad you showed up. I almost emailed you.
I didn't think I could.
They're working on stuff?
Hmm?
They're working?
Yeah. It doesn't matter what I said. But that's why I have camera going.
Good.
Usually let it work together. Middle school or high school? They're canceling this one.
8th grade this year. Next year.
Okay. What's our class? What's our class looking like? Our risers.
7th grade?
Do our risers gonna come to 9th grade?
Ones that come to 9th grade, what's it look like? Oh. I'll share you. I'll share with you a spreadsheet.
Serious?
Mm.
What time is it? Should we get out?
Mid-range.
How?
It's
8.
It is 107.
It's 1.
Say about mid.
108.
Some outliers both sides.
The gentleman that we talked about, the new arrival, come to use it, so what, yeah.
Yeah. There you go.
Last semester.
Ladies, are you guys working?
Yeah, I thought that too.
Are ya?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I have these two are already done.
Do an awful lot of talking. You're talking so much. Watching you, Riley.
Guys have 7 minutes to continue to ask questions. So it's on tap for you for this weekend. It's on tap for you this weekend.
I tell you. Ladies, math is not that funny.
Oh, the numbers are just hilarious.
They could be hilarious over here
That was
if
so
they need to
fun.
be. Do you dig, Olivia?
Numbers can be hilarious.
Picking up what I'm throwing down? Olivia, you hear me?
What?
That's the numbers are not as funny if you're sitting over here.
We're doing it together.
Okay, I'm just saying, let's not laugh, let's work. We only have a few more minutes left. I'm just going to Sedalia.
Okay.
Look at a coffee shop down there. Kind of map out how they're doing things. Their owners, doing copying.
This is not to necessarily buy it. It's not to buy it or anything, it's just to take a look and see how they run operations.
Kind of dissect what they do, see if it's something we want to emulate. They brew their own stuff or roast their own stuff.
What did you get from
And roast
the
their coffee. And so we'll look at that and see if it's something we want to do. Or if it's back cool. Stay overnight. Stay the night there. There's a hotel. Right. Originally, it was gonna be a getaway for me and my wife, but she's not able to go.
Gotcha. This is just you.
It's just a getaway for me.
So I'm
I've
gonna make
got
that.
some friends that are down there.
Okay, good.
Eat some sushi.
Hmm.
Cheat on my dad.
Sushi's not horrible.
They don't say it's horrible though.
he's high in calories.
Is he?
Yeah. A lot of carbs for rice. It's really the sauce that gets you.
Sauce? Really? Sugary?
The soy sauce.
I figured it was the rice.
Oh.
I'm so serious. In my mouth.
Promise I'm like, what? Is that weird? No. Well, you know it's weird.
She was just like,
Like 1 tablespoon is 85 calories.
she's like, if you take it that way,
But like, right.
Depending on.
I'm not gonna take it that way.
Actually, not 85. 9 calories, but most people.
What kills me about it?
Go ahead.
Number 8 is fraction, right?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely. And you can leave it as a decimal if you'd like.
No, I just.
Hmm? You can even change it to a mixed number if you want. Whatever
I
you want.
put 3/7 because that's what the calculator told me.
47.
Okay. I don't think that's right. You want me to come take a look?
I got
I got 5.2.
How is that so long? Do I just leave it at 3?
it used to be the nicest.
That's
Mine's
it.
4 each. So, okay.
I don't know. It has
You
like.
have it, 3.5, and you divided. Okay, so you show me, no, show me what you did. So you divide your 13 divided by.
Okay.
It gives you 3 and 5 seconds.
Sorry.
Also like,
Wait, what's the answer? 45 cents?
I did not get 35.
You haven't started.
So this is again due on Monday when you come in. It is 100% test grade. Your work needs to be shown, whether it's on a separate piece of paper or not. Are there any questions? Your phone just
And
fell.
in that, that's not 2.5.
3 plus 0.
3.5.
The only page that's going to have fractions is that first one besides slopes. Slope's always a fraction. Good, put it away. Brad, put it away. Good luck on Saturday. Is it just on Saturday?
Tomorrow I have appointment at like 10.